Afternoon traders, I have Ulta Beauty. They sell makeup if you want to go get pretty. Listen, they beat their earnings. This stock has been left for dead forever. Forever. They used to, anything they touched, they could never ever do anything wrong. So, Warren Buffett took a stake, small one, and we're testing the 50-day. I can see where the stock can trade right up to 450. Okay? It'll have to go through resistance. We have a daily buy signal and all the indicators are pointing up. We will be getting our entries tomorrow morning on the call side of Ulta Beauty. It is finally getting its mojo back. You can see all how big of a downtrend this is. I mean, come on. Look. From here up around right below 600, you dropped to today's low. Yesterday's low was, let's see, it was 318. So, Ulta Beauty is back. Buy the dips, sell the rips, make the money, join the live trading room. We work well together. I promise that.